Right guys, today I'm going to have a tackle of this little record Imp number 80. It's a nice one, but it needs a new paint job I think and a bit of a clean up. So we're going to give this a clean up and then we're going to come back after the post wire wheel evaluation and have a look. But this should be a good one today. Alright, thanks. Right guys, we're back from the sandblasters. He's done a pretty good job. There's still a bit of muck, I don't know if you can see, where I didn't take the jaws apart, but all the screws and stuff mucky, but they all came out pretty easily. What I find is when it gets near the sandblasters, the sand pushes into all the threads and you end up with the grease and the thread, it ends up locking everything. So like the nut and bolt, you see that there's got like sand in there, and that sand, if you can see the sand, that sand won't let the vise run. So this needs a good clean up. So I'm going to give it a good clean up and give it a polish and see if I can make this a little bit more presentable. So we're getting there. So hopefully next time I come back, this will be a lot nicer and a lot more presentable. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Right guys, so that's done with. That was a bit of an ordeal. Remember what it looked like before. Right, and we're done. So I decided to go with green. I polished the edges, the top and the anvil. It runs really smooth now. One thing, I've not put any oil or anything like that yet. I've just cleaned it up. I've not peened over the end. I've just peened over the end on one side, so the bar's not fixed yet. I've got to peen the end over. I've polished the little. What's very cool about this is that it's replaceable. The actual anvil at the top is actually a little replaceable anvil, which I think is rather cool. So yeah, it's come out pretty good. It's quite a lot of work, but I've painted. I've done the best I can with my limited abilities. Sorry there was no video yesterday because I was busy doing something else, so I didn't have time. So yep, all done. What do you think, guys? Put in the comment below. It's a pretty nice little vise, the Record Imp. Record Imp number 80. So yeah, pretty happy with that. I've just got to peen the other end of this over, so this stays on, which I'll do in a second, and we're done, and I can put that in situ. All right, thanks for watching. Please put in the comment below what you think. All right, take care. Bye.